Welcome home to 1520 Eads Court. This exceptionally well-maintained home is perfectly situated on a quiet cul-de-sac in a desirable neighborhood. Bring your rocking chairs for the welcoming covered front porch. From the moment you step inside, you'll fall in love with the spacious open floor plan. The front sitting room has hardwood flooring and natural light. The hardwood flooring continues into the family room. The open concept is thoughtfully designed for both everyday living and entertaining. This stone fireplace is the perfect focal point of the spacious family room. The Eads Gourmet kitchen will bring out the chef in you. There is an abundance of cabinet space. A breakfast bar offering additional seating and counter. All stainless steel appliances providing a professional look. As well as granite counters and natural lighting. The guest half bath is located on the main level of the home. Upstairs you will find a large primary suite. With a tray ceiling and attached bath. The primary bath has tile flooring and a double vanity, as well as a jetted tub and separate shower. The primary walk-in closet has plenty of storage space. There are 3 additional bedrooms upstairs as well. This is the second bedroom. The third bedroom has large windows allowing for plenty of natural light. And it is the same size as the second bedroom. The fourth bedroom is slightly larger and is currently being used as a sitting or flex room.